If you want to grow your business, you got to get more clients. Well, nothing will help you get more clients than to be where they look. You can do this a lot of different ways. A lot of people like to do this with pay per click, but the best way to get clients is by reaching them organically. Today's video talks about a tool to help you reach clients organically by improving your SEO. Welcome to Flash Film Academy series Flash 5, where I'll be unboxing a product and asking 5 questions to give us one answer. Can we make money with Site Guru? Now let me say off rip, I have no relation with this company. This is a tool that I've been using to grow my business. And if this tool is trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. But today we're gonna go over 5 things. Key features, pros, cons, who is this item for, and how does this item benefit the client? After that, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Let me also say this tool costs $49 a month, but if you stick to the end, I'm gonna show you how you can get this tool for life for $169 payment. And if you're a gold member over at Flash Film Academy, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how I've been using it to get more clients for my business. But first, hit that subscribe button while we roll this intro. What's good? If this is your first time on this channel, you got to know that this channel is about understanding the business side of content creation. And one of the questions I get a lot is, Ty, how do I get more clients? And the answer that I repeat over and over again is by understanding where they are and making sure you are there screaming that we solve this problem. SEO is a great way to be where people are looking organically. Pay-per-clicks is great, but you will spend a lot of money for a temporary boost, where if you play the long game, you can rank the pages on your websites to show up on the first page of Google, and that will send you a consistent flow of clients. No investment has helped me get more clients than SEO. It is very important and often overlooked. And that's because it seems like a mystery to a lot of people. You end up paying some guy or some company hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars to manage your SEO over time. Today, we're gonna cut out the middleman, and I'm gonna show you a tool that will make it very easy for you to understand where you rank, why you rank there, and what you need to do to change that. This tool will also monitor your progress to make sure you have success. This tool is called Site Guru, and it is a tool designed to help you rank in SEO. It provides a full site audit that tells you exactly where you need to start to improve your rankings. So you tell it what keywords you want to focus on and point it to the page you want to rank, or you can rank your home page and it tells you what needs to change on that page to improve that ranking. Let's start off with the key features of this app. First things first, it's very easy to use. You don't need to have background or knowledge in SEO. You just need to have access to the website you created. Next, it keeps tracks of the pages you want to rank so that you can monitor the rise and fall of these rankings. And you'll know, hey, right now I'm ranked 32nd. Next week, I may be ranked 22nd. Great, I moved up 10 slots. The last great key feature is it gives you all the answers. There's no guesswork here. It'll tell you exactly what to do. So let's discuss the pros. First off, once you sign in and point it to a site, it literally gives you a to-do list telling you what to change, and it uses AI to tell you what these changes should be. It can be simple things like the words in your titles or making sure your titles are H1 headings and not H2 headings. It'll provide information like what metadata should be attached to this page, and then it'll use AI to give you word for word what it should be. You can just copy it and paste it. The next pro is it set realistic goals for ranking your pages. It'll say things like, right now this page is not listed. Our goal is to get it in the top 100 within the next 2 weeks. And once you get it within the top 100, it'll say, okay, let's aim for top 30 in the next week or so. It'll even send you a weekly email showing you how you rank and your progress for each web page. Let's talk about the cons. There are none, really. I wish there were more tools like tracking backlinks to see how they play a part in your page rankings, but currently it's not there. But that's just wishful thinking. Even without having that, this tool is really worth it. Up next, let's talk about who this item is for. I'm gonna be real, this item is for any content creator looking to market their services. This allows you to rank your page so clients can find you and hire you. This is a tool that simply helps you get more jobs. And it's a no-brainer, especially if you're trying to rank your services in your market. I think often we wanna be seen as photographers or videographers, and we create our website not understanding the importance of targeting our market instead of competing with people, 2 states over. We want to target our area, and this tool will help you do just that. Next, let's talk about the benefits to the client. This tool allows you to rank any page your client may be placing your work on, so you can drive organic traffic to the client's website. So not only will we create the content for your website, we will evaluate your webpage to make sure your title and metadata is right so that more people can see this video that you're paying us to create. In part 2 of this video, I'm gonna talk about how that can be an upsell. Even if you use this tool to provide the client with a list of where they currently rank, that's still an added bonus and something your client may benefit from. Not to mention the fact that you could probably charge them for SEO on their whole website and dedicate only like an hour a week towards it and manage it on your end. That's a subscription upsell, people. Last but not least, let's get to my final thoughts. This is a powerful tool. It can save you thousands in SEO fees while bringing you more customers. It takes the guesswork out of ranking your website. If you're interested in this product, click the link below. That limited lifetime price won't last for a long time. It's on a website that offers these type of deals in limited capacity. So I don't want you to think it's, a promotion I'm running. I'm not running a promotion. They're running a promotion. If you are a gold member, check out the gold member side of this video where I will discuss how to make money with Site Guru. And we'll go into details on how to upsell this idea to our client. If you're not a gold member, feel free to join at Flash Home Academy. We just launched a new pricing plan to make it more affordable for everybody. And remember, every business around you need content daily. Why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to answer that question, come on and join flashfilmacademy.com. You can join and be a member for less than 83 cents a day. Let's be real, if you don't got 83 cents to put in your business, you're not really trying to go in business, are you? See y'all in the next video. And if you at NAB, come check me out because I'll be roaming around NAB in Las Vegas this year. All right, see y'all in the next video.